Like, oh my goodness, I created a wig, y'all. I did this, sweetie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. Welcome back to another edition of Wiggy Wednesday. So for today's video, I am creating my first wig ever, you guys. I got some hair sent to me by Dash27. It's a new up-and-coming brand, and they wanted me to try to make a wig with it. But before we get into these specs and all things about the hair and about the wig, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Now let's go ahead and get into this process.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding all my life. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding all my life.
Okay, so a new company reached out to me and they wanted me to review their Mongolian Afro Kinky Curly hair, and I of course jumped on the opportunity because it would be my first chance to make a wig with some bundles, and I was super excited about it. She did send me a closure, which I was kind of like worried about because I'm like, oh man, I wanted a frontal. However, I feel like the closure worked out perfectly. It was just up my alley for my first wig. Okay, so some quick specs about the hair. I did receive the Mongolian Kinky Curly closure, which retails for $75, as well as 3 bundles, which retail for $55 a piece. I mean, I know you're gonna be spending some money for your hair. Like I told you, I got 3 bundles. I only used 1.5 to create this. Okay, come on. And I got a big head, letting you know. So basically this would have cost me about $175, okay? I did receive the bundles already co-washed, and I believe she bleached the frontal as well. I can't remember, but I did go in with some of my powder and put it in the parting space. I will tell you guys, it took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours, too long to make this wig, just because I was nervous. It's like, I don't want to mess this thing up, but it's like, it's a wig. You're sewing it down. If you mess up, just take it out and start over. I did get the wrong wig cap. I didn't have the one that I needed in the beauty supply store, so I got one that they had, and I thought it was going to work. However, it's too small. Even though it says extra large, no, it didn't fit right. So it kind of stopped short back here. So this wig cap is not big head friendly. However, it is a big head associate, and then it fit down just fine. The closure is a 4x4, so you can do some parting all up in this area, which is fine with me based on how I want to style this unit anyway. This is a natural color, so it's like a off black type of color in my opinion. I did receive these bundles in 18 inches. However, I did chop it to this length right here, which I feel like works for the springtime and summer, gets the heat up off my neck just enough. I may go in and chop it just a little bit more to give it more of an angle here, but I like the shape of it right now. The texture of this hair is very, very soft. It has a good bounce to it. Like, it's very, like, look at that, and it's not even wet. It's moving like a jerry curl, and I love it. Just let yourself glow. I have not had any shedding with this unit. I did brush this unit a little bit, and when I sprayed it down with water, it went right back into its natural textures. I don't know if it can hold a straightening iron or a flat iron or a curling iron just yet, so I have not straightened it. I don't plan on straightening this hair because this is gorgeous just how it is. But if I do, make sure you're following my Instagram page, link down below, because I will be posting videos and updates about this hair on there. I'm happy that she sent me a closure. I kind of wanted the frontal, but I am happy that she sent me the closure. In the end, I think this was just enough for me to put this down. Even though my edges are out, that's my fault based on the wig cap and all that kind of stuff. So I still think it looks really natural and really pretty. And as far as any mistakes that I made in sewing this down or whatever, I feel like the texture of this hair does hide that a lot. And I will turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay. I did put a lot of the bundles here, and then I kind of spaced them out up here because I didn't feel like I needed that much on the top. But I feel like it came out really good. Like, oh my goodness, I created a wig, y'all. I created a wig. I did this, sweetie. Are you laughing at mama? The hair made it easy. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm so giddy about this because I'm just so proud of myself. Give myself a kiss. This hair made it happen, you guys. Dash27, shout out to you guys because you guys made this happen. This hair is gorgeous. They're a new up-and-coming brand, and they deserve the recognition, so shout them out. They do say that this is tip-top quality hair, and you guys, they didn't disappoint. Like, this hair is definitely a vibe, you guys. These $2 earrings from the beauty supply store are a vibe. This whole look pulled together is a vibe. I'm just here for it. And if you're not, see ya. But let me know how you think I did down below, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Make sure you also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.